Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's an absolute must for any woman. What to put in your purse. Whether you have a tiny clutch or a large tote, there are some essential items you should always have on hand. So let's dive right in. The perfect purse. First things first, choose a purse that suits your style and needs. It should be big enough to hold your essentials, but not so big that you can't find anything. A well-organized purse starts with the right bag. Wallet. Of course, you'll need your wallet with cash, cards, and IDs. Consider a slim wallet to save space. Phone. Your phone is a no-brainer, but don't forget a portable charger. You never know when you'll need a quick power-up. Keys. Keep your keys handy. You'll save time and won't have to dig through your purse. Makeup essentials. For touch-ups on the go, pack a small makeup pouch with lipstick, powder, and a compact mirror. Hygiene kit. Always be prepared with a mini hygiene kit, including tissues, hand sanitizer, and a pack of mints. Medications. If you have any medications, keep them in their original containers in case of emergencies. Sunglasses. Sunglasses are not only stylish but protect your eyes. Keep a pair in your purse for sunny days. Pen and notepad. A pen and notepad can be a lifesaver for jotting down important info. Hair accessories. Ladies, keep some hair ties and clips for hair emergencies. Snacks. A small snack like a granola bar can keep hunger at bay when you're on the move. Reusable bag. Save the environment and space in your purse with a foldable reusable bag. Personal safety. Prioritize safety with a personal alarm or self-defense tool if you feel comfortable. Entertainment. Don't forget some entertainment like earbuds for long commutes or waiting times. So there you have it, the essential items every woman should keep in her purse. Remember, your purse is your lifeline when you're out and about, so keep it organized and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.